Do you think that utilitarianism is going to make a comeback? It's like an ideology of utopian world? Because dating apps prove that not everyone really can compete in an open dating market. You have this massive inefficiency. A lot of people who want to be in a relationship with someone, but they're holding out for the perfect match. They really would rather hold out. Good for them, right? Their happiness matters. And if they never find that person, they're fine with it. But it's primarily women who think that way. Men are just willing to, match and make compromises, sacrifices, all that type of stuff. And most of the time, women on these dating apps aren't because they hold all the cards.